Using your Bank of America travel credit card points can be a great way to save money on travel expenses and earn rewards. To get started, you need to understand how the points system works. Bank of America travel credit cards offer points that can be redeemed for travel purchases, such as flights, hotels, and car rentals. First, you need to accumulate points by using your credit card for everyday purchases. The number of points you earn per dollar spent varies depending on the card you have, but most cards offer 1 to 3 points per dollar. You can also earn bonus points by shopping through the Bank of America online portal or by taking advantage of special promotions. Once you have accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for travel purchases. To do this, log into your Bank of America account online or through the mobile app. Click on the Rewards tab and select the travel option. You can then search for flights, hotels, or car rentals and book your travel using your points. One of the best ways to use your points is to book travel through the Bank of America travel portal. This portal offers a wide range of travel options and allows you to book travel using your points. You can also transfer your points to airline and hotel loyalty programs, such as American Airlines or Hilton Hotels. To get the most value from your points, it is essential to understand the redemption rates. Bank of America travel credit cards offer a fixed redemption rate of 1 cent per point for travel purchases. This means that if you have 10,000 points, you can redeem them for $100 in travel purchases. Another key concept to understand is the difference between redeeming points for travel and transferring points to loyalty programs. Redeeming points for travel through the Bank of America portal is often the easiest and most convenient option, but transferring points to loyalty programs can offer more value if you have a specific airline or hotel in mind. In conclusion, using your Bank of America travel credit card points is a great way to save money on travel expenses and earn rewards. By understanding how the points system works, accumulating points, and redeeming them for travel purchases, you can get the most value from your credit card. Always remember to check the redemption rates and consider transferring points to loyalty programs to maximize the value of your points.